Hello, this is Jane Horner with Purdue Extension, and today I would like to talk to you about helping your child learn some pre-writing skills using toy transportations, toys. One thing to think about is how important it is to cross the midline. And when we do a lot of letters, we cross the midline. And so if you think about making the letter H sideways or the infinity sign like this, and getting children to do that with each hand, it's a little harder than you think. I have to think about it. It helps them begin to do the motions they need to make letters. And so doing them with their arms or in a gross motor way, before they use crayons or a pencil, helps them develop those networks in their brain to be able to do that. I'd like to show you this little picture of movement and the alphabet. So you can see here, by doing these directions of the infinity sign, you are beginning to make some of those letters. So over here on this side, we would make those letters going to, like an A, we're going to the left. But then for the letter B, we would make the circle going to the right. And the ones in the middle were actually crossing the midline, like with an X or a V, like that. And so kind of thinking about that. So one way you can do that is by making the infinity symbol on, like here I did it on a cookie sheet, or you could put it on the floor on a big piece of paper, or you could tape it even bigger on the floor. I made this one because it was a car activity for my grandson when we took a trip, a little car road trip. And so I had little matchbox cars like this that he could then go over. Granted, on a small surface like this, it wasn't the best infinity, but you can see the idea of how to do that. And so then you can encourage him to go back the other way. So even for like a 2-year-old, it's giving them those beginning skills of developing those neuron connections of going across the midline from the right to the left. And just a little side note, on the back, we had a magnetic puzzle. So sometimes you could do that and use it as a writing thing. Just an idea if you're going to be traveling here this summer. So this is Jane Horner from Purdue Extension, Cass County.